Are you struggling to discover the lineages between your data? Accurity now includes business term suggestions, a new AI-powered feature that makes data lineage discovery more convenient for you. With just one click, our algorithm will offer you a list of suggestions for a new lineage between your data catalogue and your business glossary. The probable accuracy of each proposed suggestion is rated as a percentage, and you always have the last say over which lineage is created. This way, you will save time and effort on data lineage discovery and gain a greater overview of objects already defined in various areas of your company's data governance. Make data lineage discovery easy with just one click. Find business term suggestions in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.